Underneath all of this are those plantings. Interesting to see what happens now that it's flooded. When the planting took place, it was done in a way that would assist in case there was some flooding. The flooding might have come a bit earlier than we would have liked, but the real test will be what it looks like when this water dissipates. Now, it's going to dissipate very quickly unless there's more rain. That's the nature of this particular spot. We can see the water's crept up. If it doesn't rain anymore, these waters will recede very quickly. Then we'll see what the plants look like.